There you go, Joe. It's a glare right there. Come on, Connor. That's a foul. We just did that because we got them 4 straight points like that. Pass the ball around. Swing it. Shoot it, Joe. There you go. That's enough. Come on, bro. Good job, Connor. 0, come on, bro. Boy, Kazar, come on, Kazar, bro. That's all right. Cut him off, 0. That's all right, that's all right. Get it up, get it up. Come on, man, they found him before he said it. He don't want it. Kevin. Wet. Good shot. That was good defense. That shit was lucky. Lucky shot, bro. There you go, swing it. That's enough. Wet. Let's go. Y'all keep swinging the ball. Move the ball. Make the defense run. Move the ball. Ain't nobody fouling. It's on tape. Man, y'all running into each other and stuff, bro. Good job, Cam. Hey. Jamal! Go! All the way, they sleep. All the way. All the way. God damn, bro. Jamal, bro, we need them free throws, man. Please don't do that this tournament, bro. Miss all your free throws. Push it, push it. Get that boy, Jamal. Go. Cam. Good pass, Jamal. Devin. Good job, Jamal. Keep going, Jamal. They can't stop you, boy. Devin, stop missing layup. He off. That's a brick. Look up. Woo! There you go.
All right, Kyron, D up, baby, D up.
If you made that one, you could have made all the other ones. Shit. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, good move. Good move. Good move. That was a good early. Hey, he made it. Wait. There you go. You make up for missing them free throws. There you go, Jamal. There can't nobody stop you, bro. You know I'm gonna be screaming it out here. Don't tell me that. White chocolate. That's a foul. Let's go, Braylon.
Good job, Braylon.
Man, get these boys out of here, man. Good job, Jamal. What you coming over here for? Jamal been having to pee a lot. I don't know what the hell wrong with him.
Pick up, pick up, pick up.
Get him, Jaden. Mike. Mike Reed. Look at Mike. I said you gonna be here second quarter. Well, damn, it ain't number 2 early. What happened? Curtis attacked them. Wet. That's all right. That's all right. Get that ball, Brandon. Get that ball, Jaden. Good job, Jaden. We needed that. We needed that.
Watch baseline, watch baseline. Runner, runner.
Man, take that ball. They don't even want the ball. They don't want it. Get that ball, Curtis. They don't want the ball. Curtis, next time, dunk on his ass. Next time he try you like that, dunk on him, Curtis. Get out of there. Next time, dunk on his ass. Getting excited watching these little boys. He ain't gonna do that. He ain't gonna do that. Man, that's all right. All Curtis just in a rush. He just gotta slow down. It'll come. The game will come to you. What?